Well, hello again. It's been a while since I've been online. I've discovered a new place this week that I like to go check out, and we're going to go see it here in just a minute here. But this place is called the Monroe House, and it was originally a log house on a stone foundation. I believe it was built 1788. William Cundiff was the original owner. And what I know is that in 1849 the Monroe family purchased the property. So I understand there's a little bit of ruins here. There might even be a small little family cemetery, and we're going to check it out. So stand by, here we go. I'm not even sure where to find things yet. I see the ruins of at least some old kind of a cabin here. Try to get a little closer to it. Right in there. Let's see if I can find a way through these brambles here. Yeah, I definitely don't want to go climbing around on that. It looks like it'll fall in at any moment. Let's walk around it a little bit. See if we can see any sign of the cemetery here. Any stones or brick walls or anything of that nature. So far, I am not seeing signs of it. We're going to keep walking a little bit here. Honestly, this doesn't look all that ancient. I mean, it's a few years old, that's for sure, but this isn't something from the 1700s, that's for sure. Well, I have actually caught sight of a stone box up here that I believe may be part of the old family cemetery here. Let's get up closer to it, try to take a look. And what a climb to get in here, though. Wow. Down there, that looks like a footstone. If I get around to the other side here, but this is not the easiest thing in the world. But hey, check that out. Haley E. Smith, 1872 to 1948. Not a lot left here, just this cinder block box around it. These little stones molded into the top of it all the way around. You can see that. But we are definitely surrounded by lots and lots of brush and wilderness and trees and brambles and everything else. I'm not sure that there's much more to see out here, but here we go. The Monroe House property. Wait a minute. Hold on. You know what? Look at this. I just saw this through the trees here. Just saw it. Let's see if I can read that. That says William, son of Thomas Monroe, 1816 to 1867. And then over here there's a smaller one. Beside it, is there any writing on it? I do not see any writing on that stone. Anything on the back? Nope, that's just rough stone. It's possible at one time there was some writing on that, but it's long gone. But we have the oh, there's some more writing on the side of that. Mary, tip this up a little bit. Mary C. Pennywit, 1814 to 1878. I see the name Thomas Monroe, maybe a daughter of, since William was a son of. Let's see if there's writing on the other side. There is. Susan M., daughter of Thomas and Mary Monroe, 1841 to 1919. And I can't even get to the fourth side. But it's blank. No other writing back there. And it kind of looks like that right there may be the footstone for this grave here. Let's look around in here some more. Anything else that I'm missing? It is possible that is a knocked over stone right there, down under the tree here. Still looking through. Just kind of muscling my way through the brambles here. I do not see anything else that looks like it could be a stone. Take one last pass through here, through there. No, don't see anything. Just more of this junk that it's tearing my skin up. Well, there you go, the Monroe property. And again, a look at that box there with Haley Smith in it. One last peek. Anything at all. I think that's it. Alright, good to be back online again. You guys have a really good day, and I hope you enjoyed this.